Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to create a professional resume in Canva from start to finish. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your web browser and head over to canva.com. Make sure you're logged into your Canva account so you can access all the features and save your work as you go. Once you're on the Canva homepage, you'll see a search bar at the top of the screen. Go ahead and click on it to start looking for resume templates. In the search bar, type resume and press enter. This will bring up a drop-down with various resume-related results. You'll notice different template options appearing, but to see the full collection of available designs, click See All in the drop-down. This opens up the complete resume templates gallery where you can browse through hundreds of professionally designed layouts. Now take your time scrolling through the templates until you find one that matches your style and the industry you're applying to. Different templates work better for different fields, so choose something that represents you well. Once you've found a template you like, click on it to preview it more closely. When you're ready to start customizing, click Customize this template and it will open directly in the Canva editor. The first thing you'll want to personalize is your name. Click on the name text box at the top of the template and replace it with your full name. This is the most prominent element on your resume, so make sure it's accurate. Next, if your chosen template includes a profile picture placeholder and you want to add your own photo, simply delete the current image and upload your own by clicking the Upload button. If you prefer a text-only resume, you can remove the photo element entirely. Now modify the job position section to reflect the role you're applying for. This helps hiring managers immediately understand what position interests you. After that, locate the Professional Summary text box. This section is crucial because it's often the first thing recruiters read. Click on it and type 2 to 3 sentences that highlight your current role, years of experience, and key strengths. Keep it concise but impactful. Next, click on the Skills section and replace the placeholder text with your own key skills. List the abilities most relevant to the job you're targeting, such as technical skills, software proficiencies, or soft skills like leadership or communication. Then, move to the Contact Information text box and enter your phone number, email address, and city or country. Double-check this information for accuracy since this is how employers will reach you. Now it's time to fill in your education details. Click on the Education section and replace the school name, degree type, and graduation year with your own information. If you have multiple degrees, you can duplicate this section or add additional text boxes to include them all. After completing your education section, scroll down to the Work Experience area. This is where you'll showcase your professional background. Click on each job title text box and replace it with the actual position you held. Then click the company name and date fields to update them with your employment details. Under each job, you'll see bullet points where you can describe your responsibilities. Click on each bullet and type in specific achievements or duties you had in that role. Use action verbs and quantify your accomplishments when possible to make your experience stand out. Once you've filled in all your information and are happy with how everything looks, it's time to download your resume. Click the Share button in the top right corner of the screen, then select Download from the menu that appears. In the File Type drop-down that pops up, make sure to select PDF as your format. PDF is the standard format for resumes because it preserves your formatting across all devices and ensures hiring managers see exactly what you designed. Finally, click Download and save the file to your computer in a location you'll remember. And there you have it. You've successfully created a professional resume in Canva that's ready to send to potential employers. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.